Hello and welcome to yet another video of Cornerstones of Math. Today we are going to solve this equation, which includes floor function that many of you are already familiar with. Basically, if we split real number x into an integer part n and a fractional part alpha, the floor function extracts its integer part. So how can we solve this? Well, the first observation is x is the only expression inside every floor function. Therefore, we can consider this floor x as a new unknown variable. Consider this as a cubic equation of floor x and solve for floor x. And let us use the famous guessing the roots method to factor the left-hand side. For example, if we try floor x equals 1, then we have 2 plus 1 minus 5 plus 2, which is 0. Hence, floor x equals 1 is a root. Therefore, we have floor x minus 1 as a factor. And if we do the division using long division or synthetic division or whatever method you please, we obtain 2 floor x squared plus 3 floor x minus 2 equals 0. And this part is further factorable. And you may have learned how to factor this in some of the basic courses on factorization. So we obtain floor x minus 1 times floor x plus 2 times 2 floor x minus 1 equals 0. So we have floor x equals 1, negative 2, and 1 half. However, because floor x can only have integer values, because it is an integer part of x, the last one, where floor x equals 1 half, is impossible. Therefore, the only possible cases are floor x equals 1 or negative 2. If floor x equals 1, then x can have any real numbers that are greater than or equal to 1 and less than 2. If floor x equals negative 2, then we have another range for possible values of x. And it is actually one of these two. Can you tell me which one is the correct range? Well, it's the first one, right? You see, from the definition of the floor function, we know that this is the correct range where floor x equals negative 2. So we have floor of negative 2 equals negative 2 and floor of negative 1.5 also equals negative 2 and so on. From cases 1 and 2, the roots of the given equation are given as ranges. X is greater than or equal to negative 2 and less than negative 1, and x is greater than or equal to 1 and less than 2. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe buttons if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in another video.